Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval. I'm heading down to this famous Indian restaurant called Aanch, A-A-N-C-H, and apparently it's a well-known Punjabi Indian restaurant, and it's supposed to be an absolute must-try here if you're in downtown Toronto. And anyway, I've been walking for about 10 or 15 minutes so far, but it's really a very cool, crisp day here in Toronto, as you might be able to see here. So yeah, it's just a really cool city. Anyway, I'm walking towards this restaurant. I'm gonna have lunch here and try all the amazing Indian Punjabi food. It's very well prepared, kind of artsy, kind of shishi, which will be kind of cool to check out. And it's the best time to come for lunch, so you save some money as opposed to dinner. So here it is, and I'm walking towards it. It's called Aanch, the modernistic Indian cuisine. And look at that, it's been Michelin rated too. How fancy is this? Let's go ahead and take a look here. Oh, look at this. This is how they grade stuff in Canada. If it's good, like it's past good health standards and a health code. They don't give it like an A, B, C, or D grade like they do in California. They say it's pass. So that's good to know. Ooh, check all this stuff out here. Fancy schmancy. Here. Okay, well check out this restaurant here. It's kind of cool. Really amazing. So really looking forward to trying the food here. Let's take a look. Kind of a nice shishi place. Yes, I have. All right. Really nice. All right. Well, let's check in with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna order some food, and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, everybody. I'm inside the Aanch restaurant here. The food finally came in, and I got some salad, some tandoori chicken, Indian samosa. This is cauliflower, lentils, and this is the karahi chicken, naan, and rice. This cost about $21 Canadian, but you can see it just looks really good and really delectable. So I'm looking forward to trying this fancy schmancy dish out. So it should be really yummy. I'll go ahead and take a little sample here. I'm taking a little bit of the, actually, you know what? I'm going to just try the tandoori chicken here. And pardon me if it gets a little messy here, but here it is. As you can see, it's really, I asked him to make it super spicy too. It's really good. The spices are perfectly balanced. Meat's kind of tender. Let's try a little bit of the vegetables here. Check out this cauliflower here. Wow, it's really cooked to perfection.
Have you enjoyed it so far?
Yeah, it's really good. The food here is fantastic.
Oh,
what's your name?
You. I'm Ekta.
Ekta. You know, my cousin's name is Ekta.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
there you go. It was meant to be.
Yeah, she's a lawyer out in San Francisco too.
Oh,
so,
lovely.
Yeah, great. So, yeah, the food is really good.
Thank you so much.
So,
just let me know what dessert you would like later on.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, everybody should come here. It's really it's fantastic. So, you guys are Michelin rated and everything, huh?
We are Michelin guide, correct.
Yeah. Is this your family restaurant or no?
It is, yes.
Yeah.
My husband is the chef and owner.
Oh, no
and
kidding.
I am just here helping everyone and talking and meeting everyone.
Oh, wow, fantastic. What's your husband's name again?
His name is Sudhanshu Kumar.
Okay. Are you guys from Delhi or?
Delhi, Gurgaon, correct.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I have friends in New Friends Colony. You know where that
perfect,
is? Yeah.
Of course.
And Vasant Vihar?
Yeah.
Do you know those areas?
Very close to where we live.
Okay, yeah. I was there about 7 years ago, but I'm from Bombay originally.
Okay.
But I live in the States down in Southern California, so
Lovely meeting you. all
Yeah,
here.
yeah, it's great. So I'll let you know about the dessert then a little bit.
Absolutely, yeah, take your time.
So okay, great. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thanks. Wow, really hospitable. Great food here. Definitely check it out. Plate here. A little 360. So anyway, I will check in with you a little later here. Let me just try something else. Here's the samosa. These little triangular deep fried pastries, if you will. And I had the green chutney on there, as you can see. So
That is one of the reasons we are here.
really good.
Just
They're fantastic. So I'm gonna get here to enjoying my food, but I hope you guys like this little food vlog here of everything. And I will check in with you guys a little later. Thanks. All right, just finished the meal. Gaurav, thank you so much, my friend. This is our waiter. Anybody come here to Toronto, eat at Aanch restaurant? Actually, they have 3 locations, but I came to the one here in downtown. It really kicks ass and it's fantastic, and you'll get great service.
Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
All right, take care. Just scarfed that whole meal down, but final shot here of the restaurant. And it's kind of empty right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go walk back to the hotel now. Ekta, thank you so much. This is
Thank
Ekta,
you.
the proprietor here, the co-proprietor of this
Aw,
restaurant.
thank you.
So really appreciate you, and
Thank
the
you
food
so
was fantastic, and hopefully you'll come back and
Please
consider
do.
opening up a location in Southern California.
We'll take up that.
Yeah,
No problem.
I'm serious, okay? All right, there's the cool bar. So everybody should definitely come out here and check out this restaurant. I'm gonna tag it on my social media, and gonna be heading back to the hotel right now. Oh my God, it is cold. So there it is again, folks. All right, just enjoyed a great meal here at the Aanch restaurant here in downtown Toronto, and we'll be heading back to the hotel like I said, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hope you guys liked the video. Take care.